So peace, YouTube words that I 23 coming at y'all with another video, man. I really appreciate y'all for tuning in today. Gotta get this wisdom, gotta get this knowledge, gotta get this divine understanding, gotta get this divine connection with Mama Africa. Gotta get that divine connection, all right? So family, I'm gonna go ahead and get straight into it, man. Ones and ones have been asking me, how do you get to the continent, okay? How do you become self-sufficient? How do you be there for long periods of time and you're comfortable and you're okay? You know, your family is taken care of, everything is nice. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get into it. It's three main things, okay? Which African country you're going to, right? The second is gonna be the connections, your network. And third is gonna be making sure that you can create financial income wherever you are on the planet, right? Your income is totally independent from your location on the planet, okay? So let's go ahead, let's dive straight into it. All right, fam, so first and foremost, man, your country that you're going to choose. This is important, okay? Because all African countries have their own unique vibe to them. You know, you have your own network in each one. You know, it's just things run differently. Sometimes if you're coming from the US, if you're coming from America, your currency is worth a lot more in this particular country than this one. And you know what I mean? So there's a lot of things to consider. But right now, I would say the hot spots are Ghana and Tanzania. Do keep in mind that the African continent has 54 countries in it, okay? So do not limit yourself to just Ghana or Tanzania, okay? Maybe Botswana, go Zimbabwe. I don't know, shoot, go Gambia, shout out to Black Acres of the Gambia, you know what I mean? Go to Angola. You know, Africa is a huge continent, okay? So do not limit yourself to what's hot right now. So I would definitely recommend go ahead and doing your research, okay? Small thing, go on YouTube, you know what I mean? It's as simple as going and just clicking on a YouTube search, okay? And then you can even go into Google. Y'all already know Google is like a university, all right? You can type any question in Google and it's going to formulate something, okay? So just do your due diligence, you know, definitely reason with ones and ones if you can get in contact with people that's in the country that you are interested in. I know Rwanda is hot right now. I actually want to visit Rwanda this year, you know, so just go in and just do your proper studies on the country, okay? So next, we're going to go ahead and hop into connections. So this actually ties into what we was just talking about with number one, okay? This is why a lot of times Ghana, Tanzania, you know, those are the hot spots because it's so much of the diaspora already there, okay? Literally. Even right now, I'm in a huge group chat on WhatsApp, like a huge group chat. Like it's probably over 300, 400 people, right? Of just diasporans that live in Ghana. And we're just sharing information all day about our experiences, about, different, just different things that we can keep each other up to date with, you know what I mean? And it's really helpful. It's really helpful when you make this move that you have that foundation, that you have that network to really, fall into, all right, to really walk into and to embrace, okay, because that will make your transition way easier, okay? So I can understand why, but then always too know that, if you're making YouTube videos, you know what I'm saying, know that you're always a part of that YouTube family, you know what I mean? That ones and ones who make African continent content, all right, that's a tongue twister, continent content. We are all one big family, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to Kenyan sister over there, Uganda, go black to Africa, Woden Maya, I mean, everybody, man. I be watching everybody, you know what I mean? And even Tiffany, she was out there in Tanzania. I think she just came back, to the continent. I'm not sure where. I have to watch her video. She just put up a new video. But ones and ones are really coming to the continent, and know that you are, regardless of where you are in the continent, tune into YouTube and know that you do have a big family, a big network on here as well, okay? So get on Instagram, get on Facebook, just network, because trust me, there are people who have traveled and have moved their residence to a particular African country that you are interested in, okay? So connections are key. All right, family, so last but not least, most definitely, you want to design it in a way to where you can create income irregardless of your location on the planet. Okay? To where you are okay, you are comfortable, you can take care of your family, you can take care of your, you know what I'm saying, your daily needs, all those things there, and still have a surplus, because it is wise to invest. Okay? It is very wise to invest. This is what you ultimately want to create for yourself, okay? So a lot of people are good with like web designers, you know what I'm saying? I just met this Jamaican brethren, him and his wife. You know, they had just repatriated like 6 months ago, and he makes good money doing web developing. You know, I mean, you can design a website on a laptop. You can be in the Bahamas with your feet kicked up, you know what I mean, eating a mango while you know, editing a website, you know, of course, it's ones and ones on Instagram. You have a website, you're selling different things. If you still got to connect in your home country that can still, you know, ship those products for you, all right, fine. Like, that's what my mother does. The mother that births me, while I'm here, she's in America and she's running my website, you know what I'm saying, my mynaturalroots.org, you know what I mean? So when you get a package from me, know that my mother, the woman who birthed me, straight up, flesh of flesh, you know, she's the one that actually packed it for you, okay? So do maintain your diasporan connections. Just because you come to the continent, do not cut ties with everybody in the world that you just came from, okay? Because you can also be a great bridge for them to come to you, and then they can always be a good bridge for you if you needed something like in the States, or, you know, if you need something in London, or just wherever you're coming from, okay? So do maintain that connection, do maintain that network, that link, okay? But that is the third one, is to most definitely be able to have an income coming in irregardless of where you are on the planet. Now, I know there's a lot of people that ask me, hey, Zay, like, how much does it cost? And da-da-da-da. But I previously, my first time coming to the continent, you know, for that 10 months, you know, when we was just starting on the building and the construction and all them things there, I had mentioned that it doesn't too much matter how much you save up, you know what I mean? What's more important, what's most important, is that once you get over here, your well doesn't run dry, okay? You don't want to just say, hey, I got all this water in this well, no more water is coming into that well, but let's see how long I can drink this water, you know what I'm saying? One day it will run out, okay? So be wise, my friend, be wise, as Bruce Lee or somebody like that would say. All right, so that's really my understanding, man. That's how you move into the continent. That's how you move to Africa. Come and see your people, man, and really vibe up, soak in the energy. I mean, you see me. I mean, I'm soaking in this sun energy right now. I got a whole bunch of plantain trees, this big old mountain behind me. I mean, life is great. You know, right now in the Volta region, even our house that's getting built right now is still coming up. It's getting built even right now. So when we leave Volta, I will be sure to give you all a video update with what's going on with the construction, okay? So also remember the tour and all of those things there, it is still on, okay? September 6th through September 16th, we will have our second My Natural Roots tour, okay? So I'm gonna put all the links in the description, man. Come and holla at me. Visit my website, mynaturalroots.org. Get the goodies from my mother. you know. And life is great, man. Life is great. I'm creating legacy in Africa. You know what I'm saying? Marrying children, everything right here in the continent, right here in the soil. Okay. So where do you want to create your legacy? You know, do you want to continue to build up their heaven, or do you want to build up your heaven? You know what I'm saying? Once and for all, the choice is yours. Peace, God. Got to get this wisdom, got to get this knowledge, got to get this divine understanding, man. I really, really appreciate y'all. Peace, peace, peace. Love, love, love. And until next time, family.